Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach a new topic, characteristics of compound. Means what is the property of compound, means what is their property, what is their characteristics, because they are very important. Because you know student, compound is the pure substance. So what is their properties? So student, first property is compound are made up of two or more elements. Student, you know pure substance is the element. Element consists the only one kind of atom. But compound contain two or more different type of element. This is the first property. But student, you know when two or more different type of things become joined together, it means the mixture. So question is how the compound is the pure substance. We will discuss later. So student, first property of compound is compounds are made up of two or more elements. Okay, see, like H2O, water. How two hydrogen and one oxygen join together and form the water molecules. Sodium hydroxide, one sodium, one oxygen and one hydrogen become joined together and form the sodium hydroxide. Next one is the HCl, hydrochloric acid. One hydrogen and one chlorine joined together and form the hydrochloric acid. Clear? So this is the first property of compound. Second one, a compound is always made up of the same elements combined together in a fixed ratio. Means their ratio are fixed. Their ratio are fixed. Suppose that water. Water means suppose that H2O. So when two hydrogen and one oxygen join together, it form the water molecules. It not means in the sometime the formula of water is the H2O, sometime the formula of water is the H3O, sometime the formula of the H4O. No. In solid, liquid, gas, in each and every form, their ratio are fixed. Means when two hydrogen and one oxygen join together, it form the water molecules. Like hydrochloric acid, HCl. Means when one hydrogen and one chlorine join together, it forms the hydrochloric acid. Suppose that when their percentage will increase, suppose that two hydrogen and one chlorine, it forms not form the hydrochloric acid. In the one molecule of hydrochloric acid, one hydrogen and one chlorine. Clear? Next one, a compound is always homogeneous. You know student, homogeneous? In the homogeneous, they become mixed up together and we become not able to identify their properties. Suppose the student, if you take one glass water and add 1 spoon sugar and shake well. After that, you take one plate, pour the water and sugar which is in the plate. After dissolving, when the sugar becomes dissolved in the water, you take 1 spoon. You take from anywhere, from first side, from last side, anywhere you take, you get the same taste. And second thing is, in the sugar and water, when sugar becomes dissolved in the water, without tasting or without the evaporation, it is possible to identify which water contains the sugar. Suppose there are two glasses, one glass is the sugar, one without sugar. So without tasting, it is possible to identify. Suppose that student bronze is the element? No, bronze is the mixture. So student, their composition are the homogeneous. Suppose that the property of one drop of water and the property of one glass water, both are the same properties. Clear? Next one, the properties of a compound are different from these of its constituent element. Means the property of element and when element join together to form the compound, then their property become changed. Like water, see, H2O. Student in H2O, it formed made by the hydrogen and oxygen. But question is, hydrogen, highly combustible gas, and oxygen support the combustion. But when hydrogen and oxygen mix up together in a fixed ratio, it forms the water molecule. And what is the function of water? Water stops the burning. Yes? So this is the property of compound. Means the property of compound and the property of elements both are the different together. Clear? It is not possible to separate the constituent of a compound by physical means. You know physical means? Like by hand picking, by sieving. Okay? Suppose that water, if you have the water, it is possible to separate hydrogen and oxygen by the hand picking process like this. अलग कर सकते इस तरह से? नहीं अलग कर सकते. So, means suppose that similarly like hydrochloric acid, like sodium chloride, sodium and chlorine, both are the poisons. But when they become mixed up together from the sodium chloride, and such salt become used in our food. Clear? Next one, energy is usually given off or absorbed when a compound is formed. Student, in chemical reaction, when when any new thing become formed, when any compound become formed, then their bond become break. So student, some atom lost the electron, some atom gain the electron and form a new compound. So in such process, some energy become released or some energy become absorbed. Okay student? So these are the some points, some characteristics of a compound. Okay student?